Namaskar Bhavnites. Today we're going to do a new sound. But before starting this, let's see some pictures. So, babies, which thing you can see in this picture? It is a ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Now, which water animal is this? It is a very dangerous mammal. So, this is shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Now, babies, from where do you get new clothes? जब आपको न्यू क्लोथ्स चाहिए होते हैं तो कहाँ पे जाते हो? Yes, we go to a shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Have you seen, babies? What is common in these three words? That is SH. That is SH. See, each word is starting from SH. And yes, this is the new sound which we're going to do today. But how does this sound form? ये sound बनी कैसे? Let's figure it out. As you know, babies, S sounds S and H sounds H. But when we put them together, when we join them together, we get a new digraph, which is SH, which is SH. And the sound of SH is sh. The sound of SH is sh. Sh, sh, sh. The sound of SH is sh. Students, let's learn some more words having SH. So, here is the picture of a boy holding so much cash. What is he holding in his hand? Cash. C-A-S-H. Cash. What is the first thing you do after waking up in the morning? So what do? You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. And this is a picture of brush. This is a picture of brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Now next picture is of what this boy is holding in his hand. See? What is he holding in his hand? Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Again, babies, have you noticed now these words are ending with SH? See? SH, SH, SH. So students, keep in mind that you can find SH both in the beginning of any word and at the end of any word. Yes. And students, you know that you are also familiar with so many words starting with SH. I'll tell you how. See, every morning you take a shower. See, S-H-O-W-E-R, shower. Then you wash your hair with shampoo. S-H-C. Then afterwards, you wear your shirt. You wear your shirt. And then shoes. See, these all words are having SH. You already know, babies. Okay, so this is it for the today's topic. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.